Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing about the online learning platform Career Development College London. It's a London-based e-learning platform in which you can find a lot of courses under different categories. They are offering both paid courses and free courses, and you will also get a certificate for free courses also. Before seeing the course details, one more thing, if you haven't subscribed to our channel still, press the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you can also connect with us on Instagram and Telegram. All our social media link will be given in each video description. Check it out. Now let's go back to Career Development College London. So this is their official website, and if you scroll down, you can see here view our courses. Click on it. Once you click on view our courses, you'll be directed to the course page. In this page, you can find all the categories and the courses under the categories. So the categories under which they are offering the courses are development, management, IT and software, marketing, social media, business, personal development, administrative skills, career development, and health. If you want to see the courses under social media, just click on the name social media and it will show you the courses under social media. Whichever category you want, just click on the name and look the courses under it. So let's see the free certificate courses offered by Career Development College London. You can see here free, just click on it and you'll be seeing here 10 courses, and all these courses are free and you will get a certificate after completing it. You have 10K Blueprint, which is a business related course, and bodybuilding blueprint, membership site basics course, blog authority, and you have women in leadership course, intermittent fasting, email marketing course is also available, work from home productivity, and you have a personal development course, growth mindset, and born to succeed. So all these courses are free and you can get a certificate after completing these courses. Now let's see how to enroll in a course. At the top of the page, you can see here login or register. Click on it. If you already have a Career Development College London account, just give your details like mail address and password and log in. And if you are coming here for the first time, give your name, email address, and create a password, that is create an account. So give your phone number and country also and click on register once you give all the details. So let me register now and catch up later. Once you register and create an account, or once you log in, you'll be seeing your dashboard, that is Career Development College account dashboard. So now we are logged into the Career Development College site with our own account. You can see here courses, just click on it and you'll be directed to our courses page, and you can see here free, just click on it. Let me show you how to enroll in a course. For example, if you want to enroll in email marketing basics, just click on see preview. Once you come to the course page, you can see all the details about the course. So the duration of this course is 3 weeks and you have 6 lectures to complete, and the skill level is beginner, and you will get a certificate after completing the course. And here you can see what you will be learning in this course: various types of building an email list, hiring a consultant, the art of subtle email marketing. So this will be different for each course. You can see here curriculum near overview, just click on curriculum. So here you can see the curriculum of the course. After taking this course, you need to take your final exam, which will be 10 questions and you need to complete it in 30 minutes. Each course will have a final exam like this. You need to complete it to receive your certificate. Now let's enroll in a course. You can see here at the top a button enroll, just click on it. Okay, now we have enrolled in the course email marketing basics. So you can click on continue and start learning. That's how you need to register and enroll in a course in Career Development College London website. If you want to see the courses in which you have enrolled, just click on your name here and go to my profile. And you'll be directed to your dashboard. And you can see here certificates, courses, quizzes, orders, and settings. So click on courses, you'll see the courses in which you have enrolled. You can see here email marketing basics, in which I enrolled. Once you complete the course, you can download your certificate from the certificates tab. Remember that you have to take a final exam of 10 questions after each course to get your certificate. So this is Career Development College London website. It's an e-learning site, as I said. So they have a lot of courses, both paid and free one. So you can enroll in any course that you want. and learn and gain knowledge, and you can also receive a certificate after completing your course. To get more information about free online courses, course answers, and internships, press the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can also connect with us on social media. We have given all our social media link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.